you here today. Yes. There's so many things to say. Please don't stop me till I'm through. This is something I hate to do. We've been meeting here so long. I guess what we done, was wrong. Please, darling, don't you cry. And let's just kiss and say goodbye. Many months have passed us by. I'm gonna miss you and I can't lie. Yes. Oh. I've got ties and so do you. I just think this is a thing to do. Yes. It's gonna hurt me, I can't lie. Maybe we'll you find another guy. Understand me, and won't you try. And let's just kiss and say goodbye.
Let us hear from our judges. Good job. Let's hear from Anthony.
All right.
Anthony.
Yeah. Well, Jamaica has a soft spot for that song, and I think you did it justice. It was nice. I liked your poise again, and I liked your confidence. It's good to be confident. You hold yourself strong and erect. You have a power and an energy. I like that. You made a good start tonight.
Conroy.
Yo, look here. You have it, everything. Yes. You are in the front running, yes. You and Celicia. Yes. Trust me, you have it. Go on through.
Alaine.
Casey, you're going to make the whole of Jamaica rock just like how you rock. You see, want to see how Casey move? Casey have a little dip on this thing. And then him hold him hand to the side and him thing, and then him just thrill you with a high note. By the end of this season, everybody's going to be doing the Casey rock. Trust me, you have made such an impression. You are such a bright light. Welcome to Rising Star Season 16. This is going to be the best season ever.
Thanks, judges. Don't say